What we'll be using for this weight loss drink is cucumber, and cucumber here is high in beneficial nutrients as well as certain plant nutrients that helps to treat and prevent some conditions in the body. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contains a good amount of water. It also contains a good amount of soluble fiber, which makes it ideal for promoting weight loss. For the cucumber, I'm using one medium-sized cucumber for this. So I'll just cut off the bottom and the head, and then I'll slice this into smaller pieces. So I'll further chop it into two like this. You can see that I'm not peeling my cucumber. You don't have to peel this because the skin of the cucumber is also very needed for this weight loss drink. After chopping it, I'll transfer it into a blender. And I'll be setting this aside. The next ingredient I'll be using here is ginger. Ginger is very good when it comes to weight loss because it helps to suppress hunger. It also helps to suppress obesity. And after taking in ginger, you will feel fuller for a longer period of time, which is going to prevent you from eating more, which in turn will help you decrease the amount of calories that you consume in a day, which helps with weight loss. For the ginger, I'll just go ahead and peel it like this. Sorry, my knife is bad, so it's giving me a tough time. Small ginger root for this. Here is what it looks like. I'm not using a very big ginger root for this. So I'll just go ahead and slice this up. Again, I'm slicing it into smaller pieces because this is also going into the blender. I'll be transferring the ginger pieces into the blender with the cucumber. To aid my blending, I'll be adding water to this. So I'm going to add water until it gets to the top of the cucumber and ginger. Then I'll go ahead and blend this up. I'll be back. After blending it, here is what I have, and I'll go ahead and strain this. So I'm going to get a cup and a strainer. Please stay till the end of this video so that you see all the ingredients I'll be using for this, because this isn't all. Then I'm using a spoon to aid the straining process. So I'm trying to get as much of the juice out as possible so that we won't be wasting anything. Now pour the up over here. So I'm pouring in more of the cucumber and ginger juice. This smells so good. Make sure you get as much as you can out of it before you pour. And my glass cup here is almost full. So I'll be transferring it into another container. Then I'll continue with the juicing process. Get as much as I can out of it, so I'll be adding a little more water to it. Blender, and I'll stir this up. So I'll be pouring this into the other container. You see, we have almost a full glass cup, and I will just have to complete that. As well, and then we move over to our next ingredient. The next ingredient we'll be using here is lemon, and lemon is very good when it comes to burning fat. Lemon contains very low calories, so lemon here also helps to flush out toxins from the body, which is very good and very important when it comes to losing weight. This is going to also help you feel fuller, and you are not going to feel very hungry. For this, I'm just going to cut the lemon into two like this. This is a very juicy lemon that I'm using here. For your information, this is lemon, not lime. So I have a lime here, so I think I'm going to show you the difference between lemon and lime. So here is what limes look like, and here is what a lemon looks like. Can you see the difference between the size and the color? And then see the lemon that I'm using. Can you see the difference? So this is lemon and this is lime. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze in this lemon into my glass cup. Since what I've prepared is 2 glasses of a weight loss drink, I'll be using 1 full lemon for this. So I'm going in with the remaining half of the lemon. seed that fell into this, and I'll pour it into the cucumber and ginger juice. And now we have 1 full bottle of ginger, cucumber and lemon juice in it. So I'll just go ahead, cover this, and you can make more of this and store it in your refrigerator, so that whenever you feel like drinking something, you can go ahead and drink this. So replace all your juice in the fridge. If you have your orange juice, all those store-bought juices that you may have, so you want to replace it with something healthy like this. So whenever you feel like drinking something, you just grab this and sip on it. This doesn't taste bad at all, and it is so good. So this is the juice I just finished preparing. It's so nice. I love the color. Everything is so beautiful. So prepare this for yourself. You can prepare this for your spouse, your partner. This is very good. So store it in your refrigerator, and whenever you feel like drinking something, sip on this. When you wake up early in the morning, drink this all up and wait for some hours before you have your breakfast. This doesn't taste bad at all. It's actually a very nice juice that is going to help you lose weight very fast. And I hope you are going to try out this recipe. Do let me know if you'll be trying this out. And you can buy bottles like this to store your juice in the supermarket, or you can buy it on Amazon. Okay, so to store your juices, and whenever you want to drink, you just pick it out and you drink. I hope you are going to try this out. Make your juice, send the picture to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen. So when you make this juice, I want you to snap it and send to me. I would love to see how it went for you and if you love it. Okay, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you want me to make more videos on healthy drinks like this that you can try out at home, and it's very effective and also very good for your body. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.